What's up, y'all? Sickly here. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Just a short vlog of our Arizona trip. Unfortunately, your boy J40 couldn't make it, but there's always next time. Had a lot to do, had a lot of fun. Hope you motherfuckers enjoy this bitch, and see you in a bit. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Sickly here. We're chilling right here in the Grand Canyon. Beautiful ass place. Check this shit out. We're at the Grand Canyon Plaza. Check it out. We will try to keep you posted for more videos. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog.
It's closed.
A vlog wouldn't be good without a bathroom selfie. There's a nice ass fucking restroom right here. Look at that shit. Right here, the Grand Canyon with the gangbangers. I'm doing a vlog. I'm putting it on YouTube. Serio? We're right here. Just got here, but we lost my bitch of sister, so I'm getting escorted by two cholos. Say what's up, cholos. There you go. I don't know what that hood's from, but if you guys know, report them. So yeah, we'll keep you updated. God damn, folks. We're right here, the Grand Canyon. Look at that fucking view, peeps. Sheesh. Look at that view. Look what you're missing out, Jay. Fuck you, J40. Look what you missed out on, cuz. Look what you missed out on. I still got my gangbanger bodyguards. So I feel safe from any type of PC, liberalism. Anybody trying to scream that I'm a victim, they're right here to protect me, though. We made it to, I don't know how far we made it, but we seen some crazy shit. We see some girls with some fat asses, which is pretty cool. We took some souvenirs of that. I still got my bodyguards right here. Yeah, ignore the gang signs, they whack.
Set tripping,
but what's up? How you liking the trip so far, cholos?
You know, it's pretty good. Gang banging on the deers and some more shit. You know how it is.
Yeah, these was try shooting at the deers with a slingshot because they dissed the hood.
Slingshot. Yeah.
But yeah, I'm already tired. I'm trying to get the fuck out of here.
We doing it though.
We're almost done, halfway.
Halfways. So we'll keep you guys posted what time we leave. Because we've already been here for like 3 fucking hours.
Serio?
Late.
Late.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was it for the Arizona vlog. I had a fucking blast in that bitch. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to thank J40. Because if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't be able to upload this bitch or even edit the motherfucker. So if you liked it, loved it, hated it, don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that good shit. We'll see you in the next one. Peace. Oh shit, last thing before I forget, shout out to those cholos, because if it wasn't for them, I wouldn't be feeling safe. Deuces.